Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Kynhun ki Kmst Shillong kan let ban mi khmat iya ka jilla ha ka Jingïakop Ñiah kali ha ka 4 expo kani kan dei ka sien ka baningkong ha ka history bakan let ban Ïashim Bynta ha ka off-road motorsport ka rainforest challenge ha ka jilla Goa minta usnem 8,000 apusan. Unang yalam ka Kynhun Kmst Shillong uba Vicky V Kharkungor haba ai jingkren ha ka ni ka jingelang ha ka khat khandai tarik unaitung uloong baka Kynhun kala ap khmi menta lash posnam banyo mi khmat na ka Bynta ka jilla banyo ban Ïashim Bynta ha ka ni ka Jingïakop ka ban salong ha ka jilla Goa ula ban rap da ka baong baka jilla Meghalaya hi kadi ka jakalum kumba ngitip bat kumbangi layo I hakeleng kari baki Jingïakop haki jingele kai kalanang kiu bat ngidon haki Bynta ki bangidang sa din uloong baling ba kani ka Jingïakop ha ka off-road motorsports kanlong kala banpen I bangiru ngila banyakun haki national level ya kani ka Kynhun la ai jingkershan dakatanat sports and youth affairs lem bat ka hello Meghalaya batru da ka jingkershan jong katanat jingok kai perthei ka Meghalaya ha kani ka jinglet ban Ïashim Bynta ka Kynhun kan let ban mi khmat da shipongwit ki dukhat bat kinmi nanong ba Shillong ban ya kalinti ka bajingai kumba lai hajar kilometer da ka kali shado Goa.
I'm the team director for Kmst Shillong, which is a MSME, a motorsports company. The reason why we are gathered here today is because we are participating in one of the most looked forward 4x4 event in the country, and it's been almost 10 years that we have been waiting for this particular day so that we can go and participate. So first of all, I would like to thank Meghalaya Tourism, who has promoted our endeavor, and Hello Meghalaya and Department of Youth Affairs, through which we are able to join this particular event. For all those who have, I guess, maybe some knowledge about 4x4. 4x4 is basically a kind of vehicle which we use for rough terrains. So, and 4x4 is a sport which is very renowned across the world. And Rainforest Challenge is one of the it's the fifth toughest off-road challenge in the world, and Rainforest Challenge India is the India chapter of it. So I would like to first introduce my team here. This is Vianney. He will be our main challenger for the modified category. Mr. Alan, he will be the co-driver, and Albi, he is one of our crew members. And a few of our other crew members are still busy working on the vehicle, so they could not join us. So, secondly, I would want to talk about the significance of 4x4 in Meghalaya. Now, Meghalaya has a hilly terrain, as we are all aware of, and we are actually good drivers. When we have seen this across India, the challenge, we have seen that it's really increasing, and there is somewhere that we are lacking, and this particular challenge will give us that kind of an exposure where we can go and compete on a national level. So so that's about RFC. From the hills to Goa. We are also planning to document the whole program. So we will be starting tomorrow at 1 o'clock at midnight, and we are traveling with a team of 3 vehicles, one service vehicle with all the spares and other parts, and the main competition vehicle will be traveling on a trailer. So basically, we are. I would encourage Mr. Vianney to have to say something about his participation for this event and how he has prepared for it.
Rainforest Challenge, representing Kmst from Shillong. So, so the preparation it's quite tough because unlike here, we have to prepare our vehicles according to the international standards. So it's first time for us, and it's quite challenging also. But we have prepared our best. So let's hope for the best.
It is a learning experience for us as well. You know, what we do is we make and then we break and then we make it again. So, and it's a continuous process. So, and it's taken us like 10 long years for, you know, to reach where we have reached now. But still, we still lag. So now at the national level, you know, like we are looking up to a lot of things like the technical aspects of how we can better ourselves, you know, how we can use technology, how we can use computers, how we can, you know, upgrade our level. So that's one of the things that we are really looking forward to, especially in this competition.
So is it like you all are?
It's a skill-based game, and technology is something that will aid you. So basically, we have to know both. So we're working towards that. Across there are 3 categories. One is the Pro Modified Extreme category, one is the Modified category, and one is the Stock category. So across India, there are only 75 teams that will be participating. So we are participating in the Modified category.
So this is like.
This is one team.
Uh-huh.
So we are a well-equipped team. We are traveling with mechanics. We are traveling with the service crew. So if during the competition if we face any technical issues or any breakdowns, then we will be able to make the vehicle right there. So we are traveling as a self-sufficient unit.
Modified category, no?
Yes.